our routine. Here, start like this, prepare. And arm up. 2. Arm behind the head. 3, 4. And 2. Hip action. 3 and out. A4. A4. Very good. Here, wrist. There. Now, next one. Time step. 2, 3, 4, 1. And 2, 3, 4, 1. Stop. Here. This way. This way. There. One more time. Girls. Only girls. 7, 8. And 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. 很好。Next one. One more time and the next one. And 2, 3, 4. Excellent. And 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Show this beautiful point. Now spot turn. And 2, 3, 4. Crab walk. And 2, 3, 4. Feel that. Only go. 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Turn. 2, 3, 4. Crab walk. 2, 3, 4. Wow, excellent. Yeah, you like it? Yeah. Excellent. Next one. So, next one. Let's do it again. Beginning and the next one. 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3, 4. Arm style. 2, 3, 4. Spot turn. And 2, 3, 4. And 2, 3. Fast. 4. Now from here. And 2, 2, 2. Let's try one more time. Let's get here at the middle. Let's get here at the middle. Yeah. One more time.
在这边，在这边。
Just the ending. Just the ending.
这是结尾的部分。
And just the ending. See. And 2, 2, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3. And so I want to know, can you record?
Okay, that's the future. Okay, so we come here, feet together, sit, boom, right, arch your back. Yes, perfect. Okay, now yes, perfect. Then figure 8 and hip, knee to knee. Straight leg, right. Now in the plie, we go forward, straight. Right over here, right? Watch. This leg bent, this leg straight, this point. Right. And you hug, open the chest a little bit. Okay. Yes, and you hug here and touch your leg. Watch. So you stretch, then we touch the leg, collect, feet together, stand on the left leg straight, then extend, then lift the arms, turn the spiral, release the arms. One more turning, yes. So you stay on the right leg, and then Rumba walk, and to the side, stretch. Yeah. Collect the feet. Figure 8.
That's right.
Perfect.
From the